I want to thank everyone for coming out. This is a beautiful event, and Haïti nous l'a toujours. C'est pour nous comprendre. As Haitian Americans, we never forget that who we are and what we stand for. So I'm very happy that this is an amazing event, and this is not going to be the only one. We're going to keep doing more and build. And I appreciate you guys. And you know what? Thank you so much. And I'm glad that everybody's out here. And God bless.
I'm speaking to one of the staff members, one of the school members that was recently honored just now at the 18 Mai Haïti Nou La Haitian Flag Day celebration. How are you doing, sister?
Doing great, thank you. I'm doing wonderful, thank you.
So, fait un pile travail pour être capable d'organiser programme ça aujourd'hui. Comment sens-tu?
Je me sens bien, merci. On est toujours fatigué, mais grâce à Dieu, nous là toujours.
So, what role did you play in today's event?
So I helped along with Life of Hope. So I was the helper on the side of the school. So I was a coordinator on the side of Christopher Brooklyn High School. So this is our school that we're currently in, the space that we share with Life of Hope. And it's a wonderful partnership. They're here to help the community. We do the same thing by educating high school students of limited means. And so it's a wonderful partnership.
So what do you think that this initiative will do for the people in the community?
I think it will continue to show that as Haitian people, even though sometimes we're not brought out in the best light, that we are powerful, that when we come together as a community, we can do absolutely anything. And you saw it today outside. You saw people helping each other. You saw students who could have been home on a Saturday. We had about 30 to 40 students here today on a Saturday willing to help.
Of their own will.
Of their own will, coming here, ready to help, ready to be here and be part of this community. A lot of them are of Haitian descent, so they also got to celebrate their heritage at the same time.
So it's a mixture of people with Haitian descent and people outside of Haitian descent, and they're coming together and work together.
Yes, absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for what you're doing for the community, and congratulations. Can we see your citations? Congratulations, and keep up the good work. God bless you.
Appreciate you so much. Thank you.
Father, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much for being with me. My name is Father Juan Luxama. A member, I would say, someone who's been with Life of Hope Center for over like 15 years in this community. We've been to a lot, but over the years, we have making a lot of progress to be exactly where we are today. So I'm very proud to be where we are today.
What are some of the things that your organization has been able to accomplish while you've been serving your community?
Well, first of all, we've been doing a lot. So first of all, I can say unify the community. I think we bring the community together. The fact that we have a lot of Haitians that coming from other places, when they come here, we provide them a place so they can meet other Haitians who are already here, where they feel like they're at home. They don't have to really struggle to get their feet wet, to get involved, to get engaged, get to know the American culture, which is something they are coming from to get to know. But having a place for them, know that feel like home, they know that they're not gonna left by themselves, like scattering all over the place to find out the daily mean. But we do know that when they come here, there's a place that they can go and get all the services that they need to be fully immersed in this community, what they call American Dream.
Now, if anyone would like to take part of your services that you provide, how can they get in contact with you?
Oh, it's very easy. They can contact us. We located on 710 East 37th Street, is at the corner of Booking Avenue and Foster Avenue. I believe also they can call us. They can call 917-216-3137. So they can, they can reach us on the website too. It's loh.org. They can visit us. We're here pretty much from Monday to Saturday. Today we kind of see we really celebrate culture and what it takes not only to be Haitian, but also to introduce this new generation, how we celebrate and how the people who paved the path for us. So for me to be here, a lot of the people that paved the path, not only our hero, but a lot of people in the community that paved the path for us. And this evening you get a chance to meet them, to get to know who they are and kind of recognize what they have done, and then we can build on that. Because that's what it is. Life of Hope try to connect people together. We are the bridge, and we connect people with other organizations that can help us to succeed together for the bump. And that's what we try to do. And I think that's why you were here too, to actually let the viewers or listeners to get able to see what the Haitian culture have to offer and how we're gonna connect that bridge together. Because we've been far away, but it's time now we unify ourselves together and connect that bridge. So overall, I think that's what we try to do in this organization. Try to really help people to know our heritage and also connect that bridge that we know that we are one together, no matter where we are. We're still Haitian, proud to be Haitian.
Thank you so much for reminding us that l'union
Fait la
fait la
force.
force.
Exactly. Haïti nous l'a toujours. L'union fait la force. So thanks for having me.
And
We
we'll
sure
be
did it.
we'll be back at future events too.
Absolutely. So our dream is to keep on doing this for many more years to come. And you know that we're here to stay. We're here to serve. We serve the community in any capacity we can. Anything with social. If anybody have any difficulty, are looking for someone to help them in any kind of services, we'll be very happy to help them, connect them with other people that can help them to get there. That's why we're here. We need to connect people for the better of the community. Remember that we said, when a community put together, we stay together. When we stand together, we can do a lot of good things and also change the community, make community better. So thanks for having me. I hope I didn't take too much of your time.
No,
Because you only give me
no,
2
it
minutes.
was
I take like 20 minutes.
That's all right. I'll bill you. I'll send you a bill.
No problem. You can put it on the church.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me, okay?
All
God
right.
bless you, okay? Thanks for coming.
We are concluding tonight's event with the main organizer of the event for the Haitian Flag Day celebration. Jean, I met you last year around this time. And when I met you, you approached me to interview your wife. Now you're the one with the mic. So how do you feel to have seen the success of tonight?
Well, I think it's an amazing event, and I felt like it was. I couldn't just sit there and just not do. I feel like I have to be part of, and it makes sense to me to be part of, and I'm excited, and I feel like as a Haitian community, we're just doing, and it's great.
So you and your wife, I just love the way you guys work together, and I love the fact that you are here to support the community and to strengthen the community. Now, what did you tell yourself when you felt, if you ever did feel, wow, this is a lot for me to take on? How did you find the courage to go through with this?
Well, it was a little tough for me in the beginning because what happens is the community gets a little funny when they feel like my wife is not Haitian, but I'm Haitian, and my kids are half Haitian because I'm Haitian. So that was the tough part, but then my wife is very into community, into people, into how we are, and I feel like that was nothing for us to be like, you know what, we're gonna do what we have to do to build the community, to do stuff for the community, and it never stops.